Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is September 13, 2021, and will be September 14, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do enjoy these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we had another down day today. You could see some of the levels that we got up here. We are coming into a little bit of a resistance here at 44.68. Want to see if the market holds this level. If not, we're probably going to head back up into those 77 to about 82.25s. That was a good area for a short opportunity as the market moved down from that area and tried to push some supports down below, which is right around these 44, 46.50s. We did get as low as right around here, these 34.50s. So we do have another level down below there that could act as some support. So we'll see, but right now you can see the S&P 500 is slowly trying to grind its way back up. So want to see if it completely fails to hold this support at 68 and continue higher. If it does that, then we could see an opportunity to try to short it back down. If not, wait till it gets back up into this area of 77 to about 82. And if we fail to get through this area, this is more than likely going to be a great opportunity for us to try to short it to at least right around these 68s and then try to get lower than that. So we'll see what happens there. Let's move over into a smaller chart here on S&P for you guys. So pulling up the smaller chart, you can see it's a similar movement going on here on this smaller chart, but you can see what's happening here. Still making higher lows, so you want to be careful for this area right here. But want to see the market fail to get through that, maybe bring it back just a little bit and then try a short from there. We've got to get past this little micro area that we got. Once we can do that, we'll see the market try to fall back down right between these 50, I would say maybe, what is this? Somewhere around these 55, 54, 55s, and then back down into the support of 46.50, which is the main level. Below that, 34.50 is the next level of support. Now, above those 82.25s for resistance, again, for S&P, you do have a bigger level, somewhere around these 45.02s as the next area of resistance for me. So we'll see what happens there. But right now, anticipating the market to try to climb maybe into our resistance here, right around these 77 to about 82. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye out for that. Moving over to gold for you guys. Pulling up the gold chart here. So we did hold a nice level of resistance, nice double top there at 1800.5. That was a good level, and you can see we're underneath the 1793.9. So want to see if the market actually rejects off this area. If we can't get through it, look for the market to use this area to try to pull down a little bit deeper into our next level of 1786 to about 1783.9 as the main levels of support down below. Below that, 76.3 and then 73.3 is the next levels of support down below. Now above 1805, next level is going to be, above 1800.5, next level is 1805.5, and then 1810.5 as the area of resistance. Moving over into a smaller chart for you guys here on gold, so you guys can see what's actually taking place here. Finding a little bit of support, kind of similar to what we were seeing in the morning before we had a nice pop back to the upside. We're finding that support again right around these 91.6 to about 91.5. No, I'm sorry, 91.1. So about 91 to about 91.6 is the area of support that we're having right now. This could potentially try to pull us back up, but again, we could end up trying to drop down a little bit lower. Now again, want to keep in mind we do have levels of resistance that are coming in here on gold, which is going to be somewhere around these 93.9 to about 94.2s. You can see that's the top peak of where we kind of touched. So keep an eye out for that. Market could pull back into that area and then try to drop down lower. I'm anticipating 1790.7 and then trying to get a little bit lower into about those 83 to about 86s, as that's the level down for support. So we'll keep an eye out for that, but that's going to be good opportunities for gold. Moving over into crude oil for you guys, take a look at what's going on there. We got resistance right here, crude oil, at the 70.93s. So if we fail to get through, this is going to be a good short area for us to try to come down into these 70.38s, and then below that into our next level of 69.94, and then below that 69.43 as the area of support down below. So we'll keep an eye out for this, but if once we fail, this is going to be a good opportunity for us to try to short. I know it's going against the bullish trend, as you can see right now, but we are up against some pretty strong resistance. So we'll see. And if that gives us the opportunity, we'll have a good opportunity to try to short it right back down. So we'll keep an eye out for that on crude oil as well. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Now, if you are struggling to find consistency and success in your trading, feel free to become a member with us at Pure Structure Trading. Take a coaching program, take a coaching session with us. We would love to help you find consistency and success in your trading. Other than that, you guys take care. Have a great night. If you continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. Take care. Bye.